So if a volunteer or family tells you that their Zoom link is not working, my recommendation is to go into the class and you can click into the Zoom meetings either from up here or you can scroll down. All of the Zoom meeting links should have basically the same link here. Um, so this is the specific link. We code it to make it give that message of it's only available during the scheduled time. But if you use this link, it doesn't do that and basically can technically be used anytime. We don't want to give this out a lot because we don't want someone to log on and interrupt another meeting that might be going on if they use it outside of their scheduled time. But that link should allow them to log on and do their meeting. So I can see, this link is working right now with no problems. So I recommend trying that for those matches where they say there's an issue, and um, and hopefully that'll do the trick. If not, there's a chance that it might be some issue with their own Zoom settings, and you could try to troubleshoot that with them by asking them to update to the latest version, etc. Um, so let me know if that doesn't work, but I think that's a good go-to solution for those folks who are saying that the Zoom meeting is not working.